What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I am so excited. I want to hope you guys had a great day just like I did. Okay, now this is the coin market cap. As you can see, the market is coming back, or we are almost at $400 billion. Okay, and I don't know what to actually call those who sold as sisters because they were so scared the food was real. Anyway, before I get started to the main thing I want to tell you guys about is I'm no financial advisor, and whatever I tell you is basically just what I am doing. Okay, so if you want to take actions, you should be responsible for your decisions. All right. Having said that, like I said, I'm so excited about today because if you've been following me, you will notice I have been telling you guys about the Steneum platform and the Beasting exchange site. Well, the exchange site was opened some days ago, and today the saving program is on. What actually this program is all about is Steneum shares its Beasting commissions with its stakers. Okay, so you can decide to save your Steneum coins with them, and they share commissions with you. All right, so I'm going to be pushing in some of my Steneum coins. I don't really have much right here. I just have 65 points. I want to show you guys that 65.99 Steneum coins. So I'll be putting in 65 coins. Okay, I'm putting in 65 coins. So I want to show you guys that. Okay, so I'll be creating a new contract. 65. So in 90 days this will be released. Okay, you can see that the maximum save is 100 STN per user. Okay, limit will be increased after transaction volume Beasting increase, because it's a new exchange site, so there are really not much persons on the site yet. So what they really do is sharing their profit with those who are staking. Okay, so I'll be putting in 65 Steneum coins. Okay, submit. Let's see how this turns, and that's it. I guess it's gone through. Okay. Yep. Okay. This is my Steneum. This is the current supply. This is on savings. This I'm trying to find out where. Okay, look at it right here. So I have 65 Steneum coins. It's still pending anyway. So that's it. If you're interested and you really want to take hold of this and get started, I have my referral link below this video. Please do well and make use of it so you can support me on the channel to make sure I keep on bringing you these videos. Alright, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification button to get notified anytime I post a video. So until next time, have a great time. Bye.